Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best-rated multimeter options designed to handle everything from simple voltage checks to advanced diagnostics with confidence and efficiency. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. ZOYI ZT-703S Multimeter. The ZOYI ZT-703S is a compact 3-in-1 diagnostic tool that combines a digital multimeter, 50 MHz handheld oscilloscope, and signal generator in a single portable unit. It is designed for users who need more than basic electrical testing, especially in automotive diagnostics, electronics repair, and field troubleshooting. The auto-ranging function simplifies operation by automatically selecting the correct measurement range, which reduces setup time and minimizes user error. With a DC voltage measurement capability up to 1000 volts, it covers both low-voltage circuit work and higher voltage applications safely within its rated limits. The build quality feels solid for its size, with a 177 by 89 by 40 mm body that remains portable enough for one-hand operation. The interface is relatively intuitive, and the display provides clear readouts even in moderately bright environments. One of its strongest points is the oscilloscope function.
Number 2. OWON XDM1041 Multimeter. The OWON XDM1041 is a precision-oriented digital multimeter designed for users who prioritize measurement accuracy and data handling capabilities. It stands out with its high-resolution 3.5-inch 480 by 320 LCD display, which presents readings clearly and allows for easy monitoring even during extended testing sessions. One of its key strengths is its DC voltage accuracy of up to 0.05%, making it suitable for laboratory work, calibration tasks, and sensitive electronic diagnostics where precision is critical. The inclusion of true RMS measurement ensures reliable readings for both AC voltage and current, especially when dealing with nonlinear waveforms commonly found in modern electronic systems. Another notable feature is its data recording function, which allows users to store measurements and transfer them to a computer for further analysis. This is particularly useful for engineers and technicians working on long-term monitoring or comparative diagnostics.
Number 3. BSIDE Intelligent Multimeter S500. The BSIDE S500 Intelligent Multimeter is a compact and versatile electrical testing tool designed for both beginners and experienced users who prefer simplified operation with smart measurement capabilities. Its auto-ranging function allows it to automatically detect and adjust measurement scales, which makes it more user-friendly and reduces the chance of incorrect settings. With a DC voltage range up to 1000 V and support for AC/DC current up to 10 A/m, it covers most common electrical and electronic testing needs. The resistance measurement capability extends up to 200 ohm, making it suitable for a wide range of circuit diagnostics. Despite its compact size of 143 by 67 by 21 mm, the device maintains a clear digital display that ensures readings are easy to interpret. The inclusion of certifications such as CE, FCC, and RoHS adds confidence in its safety and manufacturing standards. Number 4. ALIENTEK DM40 Multimeter. The ALIENTEK DM40 is a high-performance multifunction testing device that integrates the digital multimeter, oscilloscope, and signal generator into a compact and highly portable unit. Its design at 140 by 83 by 25 mm makes it easy to carry while still offering advanced laboratory-level features. It supports a wide measurement range from 0.01 mV up to 1000 volts DC and up to 750 volts AC, allowing it to handle both sensitive electronic signals and high-voltage applications. With a 10 MHz bandwidth and 50 megasamples per second sampling rate, it is capable of capturing detailed waveform data with strong accuracy, making it suitable for signal analysis and troubleshooting complex circuits. A major advantage of the DM40 is its 64 kilobytes memory depth, which enables detailed signal storage and later analysis. This feature is particularly useful for engineers who need to review transient events or irregular waveform behavior.
Number 5. Benchtop ZT-5566 Multimeter. The ZT-5566 Benchtop Multimeter is a feature-rich stationary measurement device designed for laboratory and professional electrical testing environments. Unlike handheld models, it focuses on stability, accuracy, and extended functionality for detailed analysis. It supports automatic and manual operating modes, giving users flexibility depending on the complexity of the task. With a 19,999 count dual display system, it delivers high-resolution readings that enhance precision in measurement interpretation. Its DC voltage range extends up to 1,000 volts, while AC voltage reaches up to 750 volts, making it suitable for a wide variety of industrial and laboratory applications. One of its standout features is its multifunction integration. In addition to standard multimeter functions, it includes temperature measurement, frequency detection, duty cycle analysis, diode testing, and even clock and alarm features. And that wraps up the top 5 best-rated multimeters. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.